Cut, cut, cut. Make it a little bit bigger. I know I'm still restricted by the rectangular duct, but we're doing what we can. Oh. Oh, my back hurts. Oh. Not a very comfortable position here. Oh, you guys get to see my backside. Oh, I know the video's not going to be good here. My greens are dull. Fucking insulation. I hope you're wearing a mask. It's not that bad. The camera makes it look worse. So calm down. All right, let's see how that looks. That looks good. Clean up some of this crap here. All right, let's get her screwed on.